Welcome to Kickstart, where you get to see new products here at Automation Direct. We're excited to show you these new Wenglor brand color sensors that Automation Direct is now offering. There are 2 new sensors and 4 new fiber optic heads in this launch, as well as new mounting brackets. So if you want to learn more, keep watching. Color sensors are used for colored object detection, quality control, and print accuracy. Applications are like detection of color markings on print marks, labels and packages, sorting of objects according to color, or verifying color values for painting operations. These new color sensors all offer teach functions. The OPT2023, like the single lens optic sensor, can be taught to sense 3 different colors and has a 35mm working distance. The 2023 models operate on 10 to 30 volts DC, is configurable for PNP, NPN, or push-pull outputs. It can be configured for normally open or normally closed. It has an LED display for programming and setup and offers multiple languages. This sensor does require an M12 8-pin cable sold separately. The fiber amplifier model, like this OPT2022, can be taught 12 different colors in the ROYGBV spectrum. The fiber optic style offers cable extensions for flexible mounting and a variety of sensing distances from 10mm up to 100mm. These fiber optic cables are available in 4 different models with diffuse reflex modes and through beam modes. The fiber optic model also incorporates an OLED display for setup and programming and offers multiple languages as well. This OPT2022 model is DIN rail mountable or bracket mountable and operates on 10 to 30 volts DC. Outputs are PNP or NPN and normally open or normally closed. Now this sensor requires 2 M12 8-pin cables and 1 M12 4-pin cable. You can find the specs for these new Wenglor color sensors on our website at AutomationDirect.com. And don't forget, we sell hundreds of models of sensors from proximity, photo, laser, ultrasonic, and more. Don't forget to pick up a quick disconnect cable for your sensor. We sell hundreds of these as well. Check back with us often on Automation Direct's websites or on youtube.com/AutomationDirect for more Kickstart videos. And if you're watching us on YouTube, please let us know what you think about these new Wenglor color sensors or how you plan to use them in your next application by dropping us a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again soon. If you have any questions about using Automation Direct sensing products, please contact Automation Direct's free award-winning support team during regular business hours. They will be happy to help. Click on this short video to learn more about Automation Direct's support options, and click here to learn more or see more videos on our sensors. And be sure to click here to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified of new videos.